As a business owner, your job is to grow. Bid more jobs, move more loads, and keep your business moving forward. You're already wearing every hat. Why add equipment salesman to the mix? Marketplace is full of tire kickers, time wasters, and people asking for 15 extra photos who never show up. I handle all that so you don't have to. You want 20,000? They offer 10. With Heartland, we put your equipment in front of serious buyers who compete to own it. No sketchy meetups. We verify buyers and guarantee secure payment every time. Have a lien? We'll make sure it's paid off. Need help with your bank? We'll negotiate on your behalf and help you get rid of the payment. Once we get paid, you get paid. Most of our sellers see their money within 7 days of auction close. You run your business. Let me handle the sale. From listing to buyers to the bank, I'll bring the marketplace to you. Heartland Machinery Auctions, where our reach extends far beyond the heartland.